Good day to all the students. In this class, we see the metallurgy introduction. In introduction part, we see the book back first 1 mark question answer and then 2 mark question first 2 question answer. First question is what are the differences between minerals and ores? Before seeing this question, what is metallurgy? Metallurgy means nothing but the extraction of pure metal. In summary, last part, that is pure metal extracted from the its ores, that is the metallurgy. In first part, the difference between the minerals and ores, in book it has a 4 points given. Minerals and ores, in book it has a sentence format. For understanding purpose, we split into the 2 parts. That is minerals and ores. It has a 4 points. It may be asking repeatedly asking a 2 mark question. Minerals and ores. For understanding purpose, the minerals you consider the classroom students. From the students, only one student take a high mark. That student is called topper. That is, student take a high score. That student is called topper. Like that. In this case, students consider minerals. Topper, you consider the ore. Totally, so many students in the classroom. Like that, one metal has the so many minerals. More than 10 or 50. From the minerals, only one mineral has the high percentage of metal. That high percentage mineral, is called ore. That is, the student take the high mark, that student is called a topper. Like that, the mineral which has the high percentage of metal, that mineral is called the ore. Therefore, we come to the first point. What is mineral? 2 mark question means you write down the first point. What is ore? You write down the first point. Minerals are naturally occurring substance obtained by the mining which contains the metal in free state or in the form of compound. Free state means for gold in free state without any oxide form. For iron, Fe2O3, that is in the form of oxide. This is the free state, this is the oxide compound form. Next, ore contains the high percentage of metal from which it can be extracted conveniently and economically. This is a definition for the ores. Second point, all the minerals are not ores. That is understanding purpose. All the students are not topper. Like that, all the minerals are not the ore. All the ores are minerals. That is, all the toppers are students. It contains a low percentage of metals. It contains a high percentage of metals. For example, minerals of aluminium, bauxite and chinacali. From the two ores, only from the bauxite we extract the aluminium because of that bauxite has the high percentage of metal. Now go for the second question. What are the various steps involved in extraction of pure metals from the ores? It has three steps in a summary part. That's the first steps, concentration of ores. Second step, extraction of crude metal. Third step, a refining process. In a metallurgy, main three steps, that is a pure metal from the ore. That is a pure ore is converted into the pure metal. In conversion, totally three steps. First step, concentration of ore. Second step, extraction of crude metals. Third step, refining process. In this case, another possible question, two more question. That is, how will you convert the concentrated ore into the crude metal? That is, what are the steps involved in the first step to second step? That is, how will you convert the concentrated ore into the crude metal? It has two steps. That is why I put the subdivision 1A. That is, concentrated ore into the oxide. That is, concentration of ore into the oxide. Second step, reduction of metal oxides. The same steps also given in a book, page number 19. Extraction of metal from its ore contains the following metallurgical process. That is, a concentration of ore, extraction of metal, a refining of crude metal. The extraction of crude metal from the concentrated ore is carried out into the two steps. Concentration of ore into the oxides of metals. Second step, reduction of metal oxide into the metals. This is another possible two-mark question. Now go for the one mark question. Bauxite has the composition. Answer in book inside. Bauxite composition Al2O3NH2O. So answer is B option, Al2O3NH2O. In this class we see the book back 1 mark first question and book back 2 mark question 1 and 2. Also third possible question also we see, that is how will you convert the crude metal from the concentrated ore. That is also a possible 2 mark question. Answer is in page number 19. Next class we see what is the concentration of ore and what are the methods, that is a gravity concentration methods, that is gravity separation method, flotation method, magnetic separation method, and leaching. In leaching also have the 3 methods: cyanide leaching, acid leaching, alkali leaching, in which book ammonia leaching also available. Okay, thank you very much.